Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So in this video we discuss the art of creativity, writing tips for aspiring authors. Okay, so let's get start the video. So creative creative writing is a rewarding and expensive form of self-expansive self-expansions that allows aspiring authors to explore their imagine and share their stories with the world whenever you are just trying or look to improve your skills. Here are some tips to help you on your creative writing journey. So let's get started. The first is read widely. Okay, reading is one of the best way to improve your writing, exploring various genres and styles to expand your understanding of storytelling. Pay attention to how different authors craft their narrative, develop characters, and create vivid setting. Okay, the next is write regularly. Practice is essential. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to write. Even if you are not working on a specific project, free writing or journaling can help keep your creative justice flowing. Okay, the next is create a writing routine. Establish a consistent writing routine that works for over whether you're an early bird on right now. Having a set time and place to write can boost your productivity. Okay guys, so the next is find your voice. Your unique perspective and voice are what make your writing stand out. Don't try to mimic other writers. Instead, embrace your individuals and let your voice shines thought in your work. Okay. So the next is start with a strong idea. Okay, a completing story being with a solid concept or idea. Buddhism ideas keep a writing journey or draw inspirations from everyday expenses, dramas, or news stories. Okay, the next point is outlines or plan. Some writers prefer to outline their entire story, while others prefer to let it evolve organically. Find the approach that works best you for you. Okay. Outlines can help you stay organized while free writing can encourage creativity. Okay, the next is develop well-rounded characters. Your characters are the heart of your story. Give them the path, flaws, the motivation, make readers cared about what happenings on them, created character profiles to understand your characters better. Okay, so the next is show don't tell. Instead of telling readers what's happening or how characters feel, show it thought, action, dialogues, and sensory details. This engages the recorder and makes the story more immersive. Okay, the next is edit and revise. Writing is rewriting after you are complete the drift. Take the time of edit and revise. Look for grammar and punctuation errors, but also consider the overall structure, passing the character development. Okay, so the next is embrace rejection. Rejection is the part of a writing's life. Don't be discouraged by regression letters or negative feedback. Keep submission work your work and learning from each rejections. So the next is read about writing. There are many excellent books and resources on creative writing. Consider reading books on storytelling, character development, and writing techniques to continuously improve your skills. Okay, the next is stay inspired. Writer blog can be frustrated, but it's common hurdle. Find a way to stay inspired, whether it's toward nature, walls, must arts, or other forms of creativity. And the next point is set realistic goals. Establish achievable writing goals whenever it's a word count per day or finishing a chapter by a certain data setting target will help you stay on track. Okay, the next point is preserve. Writing is a journey that requires dedication and perseverance. Don't give up even when it gets tough. Keep writing and refining your craft. So that's the today's video. Remember that creative writing is a highly personal and subjective pursuit. What matters most is that you enjoy the process and are proud of your work. Keep honing your skill, and with time and effort, you can become the author you aspire to be. Okay, guys, so I explained the topic, I explained the main topic in the script. Okay, what is creative writing? Creative writing is a rewarding and expansive form of self-expansion that allow us painting authors to explore their imagination and share their stories with the world. Whenever you are just staring or looking to improve your skill, here are some tips to help you on your creative writing journey. So guys, that's the today's video. So Bye bye.